Very good morning, students. Students, this is now we will study about the money multiplier, right? So what is the money multipliers? Money multiplier tells you the maximum amount money supply could be increased based on increase in the reserve within the banking system. The formula of money multiplier is simply 1 upon R, where is R is reserve ratio, right? The money multiplier equal to 1 upon required reserve ratio, we can say RRR, right? Here are the money multipliers give the maximum potential change in money supply due to the change in reserve, right? The potential money multiplier equal 1 upon required reserve ratio. Initial change in excess reserve into actual money equal to actual change in money supply, right? So students, here is given LRR, right, is 20% or 0.2 and money multiplier equal to 1 upon LRR, right, or legal required ratio, right? The money multiplier equal to 1 upon 0.2 equal to 5. It means if the initial deposit is rupee 1,000 crore, 1,000 crore, the total deposit equal to initial deposit into money multipliers. So what is the money multiplier? It will be the 5 times of that initial deposit. Then it will be 500 crore, right? 5,000 crore, right? So here is the money multiplier tell us about that what will be the initial deposit or public deposit in bank. The bank can lend the credit 5 times of that public deposit, right? Now the reserve requirement of the commercial bank, this is the RR, we can say. The reserve requirement is a central bank regulation employed by most but not all of the world. Central bank that set the minimum amount of reserve that must be held by commercial bank, right? So we must understand the proportion of primary deposit which the bank are legally required to keep with the central bank is termed as legal cash reserve ratio, LRR, we can say CRR, cash reserve ratio. During the rising price or inflationary tendency, if CRR is raised, the lending power of commercial bank will contract or accordingly decrease, right? This will fall in money expansion in the economy. A decrease in ratio has an opposite effect and may be followed during deflationary tendency, right? The reserve requirements, required reserve means percentage of commercial bank deposit, checking deposit must be held as reserve, vault cash or deposit at the central bank. Excess reserve typically to meet withdrawal of cash, bank hold more reserve than what is required, right? I have already explained you reserve required. The reserve requirement, also known as the cash reserve ratio, is the liquid cash amount in proportion of its total deposit that required to be kept either in bank or deposited in the central bank, in the way that bank cannot access it for any business or economic activity. It is also measured to keep liquidity in system under the scanner. Advantages, right? Disadvantage: reserve requirement are changed only when needed stringently because they can be expensive to implement, right? So students, here we understand the money multiplier Thanks for watching. Have a great day.